A new behavior has been added to the right-click drag and drop when using Smart Assembly. For example, we have a cylinder that has an attachment point and we have another part that has an attachment point as well. That allows them to connect together. We're going to place this into our catalog, and when we left-click and drag and drop out, notice it will automatically connect. No matter where I drop on this part, it looks for the nearest attachment point and connects using the Smart Assembly behavior. There's a new option. If you right-click and drag and drop, you can actually specify whether to continue with the Smart Assembly, which will do the current behavior, or you can actually say, no, do not connect the Smart Assembly, and it'll actually allow you to drop your object onto a new location if you're trying to do a change in your design or add the same part somewhere else on your model. This is a handy feature to give users more flexibility when using Smart Assembly.